When you think about it, Newton has done so many things in the physics world, and it is perhaps difficult for anyone to cross. But when you think about Einstein's applications and implications are so deep that it goes beyond, because Newton's has been mostly in the classical physics, but meaning it relates to the big bodies in the universe, like for you and me. But for Einstein, what he has given something at the quantum level. It applies to proton, neutrons, very minute particles, and that is how understanding them we understand the nature of the universe. So Einstein has famously derived the equation E is equal to mc square, and there is an elaborate proof for that. You can go and look at that. However, what does this equation signifies is that energy and mass are related. For example, of course, there are some different kinds of mass. For example, if you look at coal and if you look at plastic, yes, coal can burn and release energy, but plastic cannot release energy. That is a innate property of that material, and that is totally okay. Einstein does not talk about that. Einstein talks about mass and energy. If we take mass of a matter, any mass, it doesn't matter if it's a plastic or it's of a coal, it's 1 kg of plastic or 1 kg of coal, both has equally same matter. That can be converted into energy by multiplying by c square. So any mass can be converted into energy. And if you notice, c, the value of c is so huge, 3 lakh kilometer per second. So whatever the mass, even if the mass is 1 kilogram, if you multiply by c square, it will be a huge amount, which implies that from a very small mass, you can generate a lot of energy. And that is one of the implications of E is equal to mc square. So what was the Einstein's reward for deriving this equation? Well, when the nuclear bomb happened and there was a mayhem and nuclear power was considered as a destruction phase, Einstein was on the cover page of Time magazine. He himself was not solely responsible for the nuclear bomb. There were many other people involved, but the basic principal idea behind was of Einstein's is equal to mc square. He got the reward of being the face of the destruction. See you next time.